Always, always. You don't know the spelling of sorry also. I love you, don't. What? Look at me, you'll get the feel.
No. Minus
No.
100 every time.
No!
Every second.
100%.
Your ridiculous smile. So, can I say wrong answer also?
He took me to one shady dhaba. Is it really has to be unfiltered?
Hi, this is Abhignya,
Hi, and this is Rahul.
and watch us exclusively on hashtag Couple Goals Unfiltered with Red.
Ding, we got a heart. We are going to start with the compatibility test. What excuse did you use just to meet me during work days? These are
Interesting one. I would always say that I'm traveling to go for a meeting at HPCL. That's where you were the code of HPCL. To most of my friends who are watching this, you know what HPCL actually means.
Oh, thank you. Oh, one more heart I want for this.
When did you first realize that you were falling in love with me?
The day of our engagement, from the song to my tulip flowers, he hears you and that is what you want. I'm sorry, I'm just tearing about that, but yeah, that's something. Thank you. This I want to know. What's the first thing you noticed about me?
The first thing I noticed about her were her big eyes, like headlight eyes. What was your reaction when I first said I love you?
He called me. It's been many years. I think I was in Spain. He used to keep, indirectly, like in Vizag ways, But then, one day he just took the phone and he's like, Abhignya, I love you. Like he was yelling. I didn't know, was he like really telling me like, do you love? He's like, Abhignya, I love you. And I was like, I'm not sure if this is okay. And then, it was like so furious. He was like yelling back, I love you, don't understand. And oh my, yeah, that is what happened.
What's my most favorite date spot in Vizag?
I really want to use the word terrible. Generally, your first date is supposed to be super romantic. He took me to one shady dhaba.
For all of you who know, this is the most tastiest place in Vizag. It's called Chaudhary Dhaba. It's near Totlakonda.
What's one gift I have loved the most from you?
The engagement ring, there's a lot of backstory to that, but
It's a very hilarious story.
we were underwater scuba diving. I tried to propose to her using the diamond, but I didn't take the diamond. I instead took a stone. I took because just in case she said no, I would still have a chance to give the diamond to someone else.
No! Too much unfiltered now.
What is your favorite thing I do every day?
Oh my god, he makes the world's best omelets and dosas.
Yeah, the compatibility still looks strong. So
Yeah.
Welcome to the next segment, and it's called as How Well Do You Know Each Other? Who said let's get married first?
Hmm.
Who is more talkative?
Really? No, I think even you two. Let's agree.
So who is the funny one? Who's more romantic? Who says sorry first after a fight?
Always.
every time.
No.
Every single time.
Never.
Every single
You
time.
don't know the spelling of sorry also. No. No, this is what it is.
Secret to a happy marriage.
Who takes longer to get ready?
Of course.
Oh my
100%.
god. 100%.
Yeah, I think I'll have to agree to this.
Who's always on the mobile?
No? What? Whatever he says, the world knows it. Everyone knows it is.
Who's more likely to forget an anniversary? Who's more likely to forget to reply to messages?
Of course. 100%.
Huh?
There's no doubt about that. You have to change this, yeah.
Moving on to the next segment, Love Scoreboard.
Some math to be done.
So humor.
I rated her 2.
I'm not that bad.
Like, she does not have a humorous bone in her body.
I was being nice. I gave him an 8, but I think I should be more honest.
Romance.
I gave her a 7.
I gave her a 9.
Communication.
I gave her 2.
0.
Supportive nature.
I think he's 10 on 10.
Supportive nature, I gave 8 on 10. I'm very calculative when it comes to these kind of
Okay, I think I need to change it. You're being too critical.
Yeah.
Honesty.
Honesty, 8.
I wanted to give a 0, then I was being nice and gave you a 5. 0 plus 5.
Yeah.
How much would you rate yourselves as a partner?
I rated her 9 out of 10 as a partner.
I give him 10 out of 10. I think he's a fantastic partner. Yes, fantastic partner.
Patience.
Oh, patience. How much did you give? How much did you give? It better be like 10 out of 10. Here, this is what I gave her. Minus 100. Like the most impatient person.
No, the entire world is going to watch this. See, I would have given you 10 on 10, but yeah, in this 1 year, yeah, you lost a mark. So it's 9.
Okay, moving on to the next segment. It's called as the 3 seconds challenge. What's your marriage date?
Red.
30th June 2018.
Where was your honeymoon?
Red. Peru.
Okay, your favorite song as a couple?
Red. Nothing's going to change my love for you. Sing. Look at me, you'll get the feel.
No. Our dreams are young and we won't know. They'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love.
Yeah. To know more about us,
Don't forget to grab the 15th year anniversary special edition of Red.
congratulations, Red. We love you.
For Red.